Went to my factory. This is my 16K20 lathe. I'm disassembling now it for maintenances, few repairs, etc. You know. Here was a 11 kilowatt engine. I removed it and I want to set there a 7.5 kilowatt engine because it swallow less power than 11 kilowatts. I take off all sheets and covers. I want to wash them, later paint, and I buy a liquid for engine washing, and I will mix it with the water 1 to 5 and spray on them, and then by high pressure washer called a scorcher I want to clean them up. And here we can see another mess, and here we can see a lot of dirt on machine cases, and then this is backside of carriage box or carriage gearbox. And then I take it off a chuck too. Here I have nothing to do. What else? I want to paint this machine, and I find out the ways is good, and in a couple of places I found scrapping marks, but poor is that to machine. The last years wasn't seen maintenances, and a lot of units is full of dirt, and you know. Here you can see another parts. It's more looks like a mess. I want to wash them all by motor cleaning liquid, make them fine. And what is for painting, I want to paint, for example, this cover for here. That stock, it's too dirty and I want to make it fine. So some time ago I make a walkaround of this machine, and now I disassembled it, and I want to show how works this interesting handle called a joystick. So, and actually it's very handy thing, and then upside we can see a button, and here we can see 2 wires. What these wires powering this engine, what power a lead screw right here, and what makes a rapid feeds, and this handle have a 4-5 pistons, or neutral, forward, back, across, back, and then here we can see a gears inside. Here we can see a lot of gears. For example, I try to switch something and turn a shaft, so it turns. Switch it. It works around like so. It just switches gears, and then example, so it's back, and then inside there we can see a cross, and then here we can see for threading this handle, it makes this move, and when I push down this handle, this is locked, it's not working. And then here is the mechanism what locks this handle. very complicated unit. Actually, it's built very well, and machine is built in Moscow machine tool plant in 1977. And this is a model 16K12, so oops, 16K20. So a lot of clean up and so this is do very well, and I think I very soon will try to run this machine. So thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.